Brought to you by University Cube, the best source for up-to-date news, connections, and everything you need to succeed on your path to excellence. Brought to you by University Cube, the best source for up-to-date news, connections, and everything you need to succeed on your path to excellence. Welcome to a journey where achievement, connection, and opportunity come together, right here at University Cube. The grades are in, and wow, our local students are on a roll. This spring, a whopping 3,927 students made the North Dakota State University Dean's List by keeping their GPA at 3.5 or higher. That's right, nearly 4,000 hardworking students, each one proving that late-night study sessions and early morning alarms are worth it. Some names you might recognize? Nolan Buckridge and Leah Cruz are among those who stood out, earning well-deserved places on the Dean's List. And let's not forget Autumn Lewinenberg, who snagged the Bison Merit Award for maintaining a GPA above 3.0. Talk about commitment. But the celebration doesn't stop there. Students from Northwest Iowa Community College, Normandale Community College, University of Iowa, and University of Nebraska-Lincoln also grabbed the spotlight, racking up academic honors and making their families and communities proud. Whether it's earning a spot on the Dean's List or picking up a merit award, these achievements are more than just numbers on a report card. They're proof of dedication, resilience, and plenty of brainpower. So to every student stacking up those A's and B's, this one's for you. Your hard work is inspiring everyone around you. Parents, friends, and neighbors, join us in giving a virtual round of applause. Here's to another semester of reaching higher, dreaming bigger, and reminding us all what's possible when you put your mind and heart into it. Congratulations, scholars. Keep shining.